Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Rukun Islam.
Walaikum assalam. I'm Muhammad Saidul Islam. Thank you, Rukunul Islam. Rukunul Islam, uh, what is a barista?
Barista tips and serves hot and cool coffee, express, tea and other beverages.
Okay. How many layer of espresso?
There are 3 layers of espresso, crema, body, hard.
How to make espresso?
Hot water, high pressure, and finally coffee beans add together.
Okay. Please, can you tell me some coffee name?
Espresso, doppio, ristretto, lungo, affogato, cappuccino, latte, flat white, red eyes, B60, coffee of the day,
Okay. What is your favorite coffee?
espresso.
Espresso. Okay. What is the between difference cappuccino and latte?
Cappuccino more foam and latte less than foam.
Okay. Now you make one espresso, make one espresso macchiato, make one hot B60, and make some latte with coffee.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.